Market has moved parabolically upward. If you look at it, you see markets break this very important level of $31,000. And I said if markets break this $31,000, then we are going to hit $35,000. And that is the exact same thing we see right here. If you watch this very video on the channel, you can find that out yourself. So I'll be talking about this and more into this analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this, and also check the channel for other educational content. Don't also forget to subscribe to our Forex channel for more Forex resources. If you look at the one-day chart, is market from this area to this level, we have reduced momentum right here, and I told you the reason for this reduced momentum was because of this very strong level of resistance, and market break it with this very strong bullish candle to the upside at this very point of $33,000 and begin to move upward. Nevertheless, I told you in one of my videos last week that the market is going to begin to move to the upside, and that you should be looking for buy opportunity on BTC USDT one-day chart, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Market is still very bullish on the one-day chart. At this very point, I am expecting that this market retrace within this very area where the market is right now of 34.3k and this very area of $36,000. So within this zone, this is where I'm expecting the market to, to pause the movement for retracement to happen in the market before the next continuation to the upside. Remember, we are in an uptrend right now because key structures have been broken in the market. So this very level is a very important structure which has been broken by this very bullish candle to the upside. The only thing we will see right now is a retracement back down before continuation again, just like I am seeing right now. And the levels you should watch is where the market is right now, and this very area of $36,000 for retracement to come in back to the downside before continuation again in the market. Don't expect any aggressive move above $36,000. This is what I am expecting right now on the one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart is having reduced momentum after this strong bullish move to the upside right now. From this area, I am also expecting that the market do a little bit of retracement. So from this area of $36,000, this very point right here to where the market is right now, we should have retracement back down before continuation again to the upside, because market is still in a very serious uptrend, no doubt. And one other thing you need to pay attention to on the chart is sometimes you will not see that very retracement that will pull back significantly to the downside in this formation, but you can also see consolidation. And I have said it time without number that consolidation is another form of market pause, which means market is building momentum during time of consolidation. So we can see consolidation within this very zone before the market will break out and move to the upside, or break down and move to the downside. So this is what you need to pay attention to, guys. It's very important. I am not expecting any aggressive move as well on the one-day chart above $36,000. Retracement is needed where the market is right now before the next impulsive move will continue in the market again. So pay attention to retracement right now on Bitcoin. And on ETH, if you look at ETH, market have not really moved, just like you can see on the BTC chart right here. So ETH is also going to, retrace back down. So a little retracement is needed for ETH. Parabolic move all the way from this level of $1,676 and up to this very point of $1,847. Market should retrace within this price level right at this area of $1,896, and where the market is right now, as you can see, and then market is going to retrace before continuation again on ETH. All you need to pay attention to now on ETH is retracement, and after retracement will be a nice time to buy again for the market to move to the upside, and I will be updating you on this channel on what to do. And on this very other chart, if you look at other has moved significantly more than ETH, but if you look at it very well, market is having rejection from this very area. What it means is that market is having difficulty to move further to the upside. That means retracement is needed in the market. Expect retracement from this area on ADA 0.2976 and this very price level of 0.2870. So this very area market will retrace as well, and then before it will move back to the upside. And I am going to tell you when this retracement will end as well in the market. So pay attention to new videos on the channel. And on Matic, look at Matic. Matic have the highest move between ETH and ADA right here. So Matic at this very point is going to also have retracement. If you look at it, market move, retrace a little bit, move again, retrace. So retracement is also needed where the market is right now of 0.6539 and this very price level of 0.6759. Within this area, expect retracement, just like we see right at this area. We see retracement at this area. Retracement is needed right now before continuation again back to the upside. And one important thing that is common on these charts, that is Matic, ADA, BTC, and ETH, all of these have divergence right now that is coming into play on price action. So you need to pay attention to that. Divergence is very important. And lastly, TRX, that is Tron. If you look at it, market is going to retrace as well. So all you need to do on all pairs is to wait for markets to retrace back down before continuation, just like we see right here and at this very point. This is what you need to pay attention to. Don't buy now, don't sell as well if you are not a counter trend trader on the various pairs. This is what you need to watch right now. Do you think this market is going to still move and break the $36,000? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.